Discover the allure of this captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in the vibrant city of Tampa, Florida. Boasting a thoughtfully designed split floor plan, this residence welcomes you with open and inviting spaces. The kitchen is a culinary haven, featuring stainless steel appliances, an island with ample storage, and elegant lighting, ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying family dinners. The primary suite is a tranquil retreat, complete with a spacious walk-in closet and direct access to the screened-in lanai. Imagine unwinding in your private oasis, seamlessly blending comfort and style. Step into the backyard, where there's plenty of room for outdoor activities and a convenient shed for storage. Whether you envision lively barbecues, gardening ventures, or simply soaking up the Florida sunshine, this outdoor space is designed for your enjoyment. Convenience meets lifestyle with this home's prime location, situated near an array of restaurants and shopping destinations. The attached one-car garage adds an extra layer of convenience, complementing the overall functionality of the property. Indulge in the perfect blend of modern elegance and practical living in the heart of Tampa. This property is more than just a house, it's an invitation.